Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Red color, purple color, orange color, pink color, green color, chocolate color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, star, triangle, cross and heart. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, next circle, next star, next kids, triangle, next cross, next kids, heart, now we're going to put the color. Green color, hexagon, next chocolate color, circle, next orange color, star, next kids, pink color, triangle, next purple color, cross, next red color, heart, what we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, orange color, star, pink color, triangle, purple color, cross, red color, heart. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.